Production.
Introduction.
Introduction, perkenalan. Oke, introduction. Karena kemarin kita sudah memperkenalkan diri masing-masing, teman-teman. Oke, termasuk our interest, our occupation. Oke, our job atau our occupation. Oke. Nah, our leisure time. What will we do in leisure time? Leisure time, ada yang tahu apa itu leisure time, teman-teman?
Waktu luang.
Waktu luang. Leisure time. Atau bisa juga disebut free time. Oke, spare time. Nah, itu artinya adalah waktu luang. Nah, kali ini teman-teman kita akan membahas topik hari kedua yaitu hobi atau kegemaran. Sebelumnya izinkan Bro Akmal untuk share screen terlebih dahulu. Oke, today we will talk about hobbies. Oke, kita akan membicarakan mengenai hobbies. Oke. Nah, apakah teman-teman punya hobi?
Duwe lah.
Nah,
Yes, we have.
apa hobi favorit teman-teman?
Iya tuh.
Playing games.
Playing games. Oke.
Watching
Apa lagi?
movies.
Fishing.
Reading book.
Reading books. Oke.
Fishing.
Fishing. Oke. Memancing.
Drawing.
Camping.
Camping. Oke. Pergi berkemah.
Playing with children.
Playing
Hang out.
with children.
Hang out with my friends.
Hanging out with friends. Oke. Pergi bersama teman-teman. Oke. Now, I'm sure you all have hobbies. Or favorite things that you love to do. Berbagai aktivitas yang teman-teman sangat suka untuk lakukan. Entah itu sesimpel menonton film, okay, watching a movies, or either walking in the garden, berjalan-jalan di taman, okay, cooking. Cooking.
Sport.
It's a very interesting hobby as well. Pada pertemuan kali ini teman-teman, kita akan membicarakan mengenai hobbies. And why do we have to talk about hobbies? Kenapa kita harus membicarakan mengenai hobbies dan apa sih objektifnya atau apa sih tujuan? Kita akan bahas lebih lanjut. Oke. Of course adalah untuk bisa menjelaskan apa sih hobi kita dan kenapa sih kita suka hobi tersebut.
Enggak mau.
Oke.
Tutup. Close the door, please.
Ada beberapa cara teman-teman ketika teman-teman ingin mengungkapkan mengenai hobi Anda. Okay.
Sorry bro,
Semisal
Akmal.
teman-teman mau
Maybe yang belum di mute mungkin di mute dulu biar nggak ganggu.
Oke. Nah, sebentar. Oke. Nah, ada beberapa cara teman-teman ketika teman-teman ingin menjelaskan mengenai hobi. Misal saya suka melakukan sesuatu. Oke. Saya menikmati melakukan sesuatu. Teman-teman bisa menggunakan formula-formula berikut, teman-teman. Oke. I like to do something. Saya suka melakukan sesuatu. Nah, to do something ini bisa bermacam-macam. Semisal, I like to do exercising. Saya suka berolahraga. I like to do exercising. I like to do hiking. I like to do shopping. Okay. Saya suka pergi berbelanja. Saya suka melakukan belanja. Okay. I like to do swimming. Saya suka berenang. I like to do fishing. Ini merupakan format I like to do. Okay. Ini format pertama yang teman-teman bisa gunakan ketika akan menjelaskan mengenai kegiatan favorit kalian atau your hobbies. Okay. Kemudian bisa menggunakan susunan yang kedua ini. Ini lebih mudah, teman. Oke. Simpel saja, kita menggunakan I like plus verb ing atau kata kerja progresif. Oke. I like plus verb ing. Oke. Misal, I like hiking, I like fishing, I like cooking a food. Oke. I like creating an animation, bisa juga seperti itu. I like watching movies, and so on and so on. Oke. Ini merupakan format yang cukup simple digunakan. Oke. And then ada juga format I enjoy doing something. I enjoy doing. Saya menikmati melakukan. Oke. I enjoy doing something. Oke. Semisal I enjoy doing shopping. Sekali lagi shopping. Oke. I enjoy doing marathon juga bisa. I enjoy doing running. I enjoy doing fishing. Okay. I enjoy doing cooking. Tadi sudah. Bisa seperti itu. Atau bisa juga I enjoy cooking food. Itu bisa juga digunakan. Okay. Kemudian teman-teman juga bisa menggunakan keen on. I'm keen on. Okay. Ini artinya saya tertarik. Okay. Saya tertarik. I'm keen on something. Okay. I'm keen on reading. I'm keen on reading a book. I'm keen on going fishing. I'm keen on going shopping. Okay. Saya suka pergi berbelanja. Okay. Artinya sama teman-teman. I like maupun I enjoy, I'm keen on, sama saja. Cuman kalau kita bilang I keen on mungkin lebih sopan. Okay. Sama seperti I fond of. Okay. I fond of, saya mengagumi. Fond of itu mengagumi atau gemar ya. I'm fond of something. Okay. I'm fond of listening to music. I'm fond of listening to music. I'm fond of fishing in a lake. I'm fond of creating a design. I'm fond of cooking a fish. Nah, seperti itu. Itu menggunakan rumus fond of ini. Okay. Jadi ada beberapa cara ketika teman-teman ingin menyampaikan your hobbies. Okay. Atau mungkin ada satu juga yang saya lupa belum tambahkan. Okay. My hobbies. Yes. Ini mungkin merupakan bentuk paling simpelnya ya. My hobby is watching movies, watching drama, and so on, so on. Okay. Tapi instead of using a very generic like my hobbies, daripada kita menggunakan kata yang sangat generik atau sangat umum, my hobby is, teman-teman bisa menggunakan kata-kata yang lain. Misal I'm keen on atau I'm fond of. Okay. Untuk memberikan kesan yang lebih formal atau lebih profesional ya. Seperti itu. Kita akan lanjut dulu. Nah, di sini ada box of vocabularies, teman-teman. Oke, mengenai aktivitas atau hobi yang populer. Yang pertama, of course, reading books. Reading books, membaca buku. Oke. Dancing or dancing, artinya menari. Oke. Nah, singing, menyanyi. Listening to music, mendengarkan musik. Okay. Musical instrument artinya alat musik. Learn a language, belajar bahasa. Shopping, belanja. Shopping. Traveling, berjalan-jalan. Hiking, mendaki, cycling, bersepeda, exercise. Exercise ini olahraga. I like to do exercise. I like to exercise. Drawing, menggambar. Drawing ini menggambar, sementara melukis itu painting. Collecting stamps. Ini mungkin hobi yang sudah mulai jarang. Collecting stamps. Mengkoleksi perangko. Playing games. Bermain games. Ini yang cukup popular. Cooking. Memasak. Gardening. Berkebun. Gardening. Playing board games. Playing board games ini bermain permainan papan. It could be anything. It could be Monopoly. Okay. Monopoly games. It's also a board games. Walking, berjalan. Writing stories, menulis cerita. Fishing, memancing. Photography. Photography ini fotografi, teman-teman. Swimming, renang. Hang out with friends, nongkrong ya. Hang out with friends. Nah, yang terakhir, painting, melukis. Ini mungkin box of vocabularies yang akan membantu teman-teman mendeskripsikan mengenai hobi Anda. Kita akan lanjut lagi. Nah, okay. Now, it's time to practice. Nah, kita akan lebih banyak praktisnya. Okay. So everyone, I want you to pick one hobbies, okay, that you never tried it before, but you really want to try it. Tapi teman-teman pengen banget mencoba. Okay. Kira-kira sudah kebayang? Sebuah hobi yang teman-teman belum pernah lakukan, tapi sebenarnya teman-teman tuh pengen nyobain. Oke. Bagi yang sudah kebayang dan ingin praktis, silakan. Angkat tangan. Bisa angkat tangan. Bisa raise your. Halo, Bro Cesar Mayer.
Nanti dibacanya nomor 1 dulu terus langsung dijawab kah?
Nah, saya akan coba menanyakan dulu. Saya panggilnya Bro siapa ini agar lebih mudah?
Cesar.
Bro Cesar. Oke, Bro Cesar. Oke. Kira-kira nih, apa nih hobi Bro Cesar? What is your hobby?
My hobby is like playing some games, video games.
Playing some games and video games. Kira-kira nih, do you have any other hobbies that you would like to try? Something that you never try, but you eager to try. Yang ingin banget dicoba. Belum pernah.
I'm going to say I like to do hiking.
Hiking. Nah, okay, that's great. Why do you want to go for hiking?
I want to explore nature and enjoy the beautiful views.
Enjoy the nature. That's correct. If you have a chance to go for hiking, okay, which place would you like to visit?
In a mountain area or a nice hiking path.
Nah, kira-kira gunung mana nih yang ingin didaki? Which mountains?
Belum kepikiran sih.
Belum kepikiran. Oke. Nah, apart from enjoying fresh air and the beauty of the nature, okay, what will you find will be challenging? Okay. Apa yang akan menjadi tantangan Bro Cesar ketika memulai hobi ini? When you start to do this hobby.
I'm not used to long outdoors walk and need to get comfortable with the condition like that.
Oke. Nah, jadi mungkin tantangannya ketika kita berada di luar, when we are outside or doing outdoor sports, okay, we might not get used to with the environment. Okay, dengan lingkungannya, mungkin dengan cuacanya. Nah,
Belum
we need
terbiasa.
a bit of adaptation. Oke. Nah, mungkin sampai di situ tuh. By the way, thank you, Bro Cesar.
Oke, thank you.
Thank you. Ada lagi yang ingin mencoba? Bro Doni. Halo, Bro Doni.
Hi.
Halo. I want
Hi.
you to pick one hobby that you never done before. Okay. Have you?
I'm keen on swimming, but
Okay.
my hobby I never done maybe a racer, MotoGP racer.
Racer. Balap.
Yes.
Nah, to be a racer. Wow, this is
Yes.
interesting. Why do you want to be a racer?
It's fantastic. Yeah. I always watch MotoGP
Race.
race. Yes.
Nah,
I really like that. I don't.
Yeah.
It's fantastic. Like
okay. And who is your favorite driver in MotoGP? Do you have any?
now I'm like Francesco Bagnaia. Before before Valentino Rossi. Now I'm like Francesco Bagnaia. Ducati
Oh.
team.
Why do you like him? Why do you?
He's cool, smart. I think he's a gentleman.
Okay.
A gentleman aja. In this year he second champion. First champion
Okay.
is Jorge Martin. But
Okay.
he congratulations to Jorge Martin. He did.
Okay. And what do you think will be the challenges if you would like to start your new hobby of becoming a racer? Kira-kira apa nih yang menjadi tantangan Bro Doni ketika Bro Doni ingin memulai menjadi pembalap atau mencoba hobi pembalap ini?
Tantang traveling ya, maybe MotoGP is a worldwide sport, so maybe traveling to the other country, yeah, around the world.
Yes, sure.
We have to adapt condition that country, maybe, yeah.
Okay, the condition of that country. Okay, okay. Nah, seperti itu. Nah,
Yes.
by the way, it's a very interesting hobby, Bro Doni. Thank you for joining me with this practice. We will see you again tomorrow. By the way, thank you for your practice.
Thank you.
Oke. Nah, kita lanjutkan teman-teman ke Sis Widi. Halo Sis Widi.
Hello.
Hello, hello. Hello Sis Widi. I would like to ask, what is your hobby right now?
Right now, my hobby is cooking and also
Okay.
traveling.
Oh, cooking and traveling. Wow, that's fantastic. If you have an idea about trying new hobby, what will be a new hobby that you would like to try?
Maybe I would like to try dancing.
A dancing.
Yeah,
Okay.
dancing.
Why do you want to do it? To start a dance?
I haven't tried dancing in my life, so maybe it will be fun, I think.
Okay.
Yes. Also,
Um,
maybe it's good for our healthy.
Okay.
Yes, maybe.
Nah, ada beberapa perbedaan, teman. Yang pertama health
Health.
and healthy. Oke. Oke.
Okay.
Health ini kesehatan.
Yeah.
Sehat, kesehatan. Healthy ini artinya sehat. Nah, oke. For our health, untuk kesehatan kita. Seperti itu. And okay, we would like to talk about dance. Okay? Dancing. Okay? There will be two categories between traditional dancing and modern dancing. Which one would you like to try, by the way?
Maybe I would like to try modern dancing like Korea, K-pop.
Okay.
Okay, maybe I usually melihat apa ya Pak?
See,
See on
can I watch atau
Instagram.
see?
Oh yeah, watch on Instagram. Maybe it will be fun if we dancing in the class.
Okay, okay. So, dancing, a modern dance, especially the Korean dance, it's very energetic dancing. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And seeing it, watching it on Instagram, it's kind of a bit interesting. Okay.
Yes.
Nampaknya menarik. It seems interesting. But I would like to know about the challenges that you feel that you will face when you would like to try dancing. Kira-kira apa nih tantangan yang Bro Widi akan temui ketika mulai untuk dancing?
I'm usually lazy and also
Okay.
don't have so much time, or maybe just on the weekend, and
Okay.
maybe my stamina is a little bit apa ya, kurang berstamina.
Okay. I have less stamina.
Yeah, lack of stamina.
Less.
Yeah, because I jarang
Rarely.
rarely doing sports things.
Okay. Bisa menggunakan rarely atau seldom.
Sure. What?
Seldom atau rarely.
Okay.
Yeah. I seldom atau I rarely.
Seldom.
Dua-duanya bisa dipakai.
Seldom.
Okay. Nah, if you would like to do dancing, where do you want to do it?
I want to join on the class and they have instructor, so yeah, maybe more fun and more enjoyable to doing with group class.
Okay, okay. That will be very interesting, by the way, Sis Widi. By the way, thank you, Sis Widi, for trying.
You're welcome.
Your hobby is very inspiring for us.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. We will move on to Bro Ido. Hello, Bro Ido.
Halo Bro Akmal.
Hello. How are you today?
Good.
Okay, I would like to ask first, what is your hobby, by the way, Bro Ido?
Now my hobby is watching a movie and playing games.
Okay, watching a movie and playing games. What movie did you love it most? Kira-kira film apa sih yang paling disukai?
Anime.
Anime. Okay. And what kind of game do you love it most? Kira-kira game apa nih yang paling disukai?
Currently play Mobile Legends.
Okay, Mobile Legends. That's everyone's favorite, I think. Menurut saya itu favoritnya banyak orang. Okay. If you had a chance to try a new hobby, okay, what will you pick? Apa yang Bro Ido akan ambil nih?
Maybe cooking.
Cooking. Wow. From gaming to cooking. Why do you want to do it? Want to try the cooking?
I can cook. I think I can eat everything I want to eat.
Okay. You can eat whatever you want to eat. Okay. And what will be your challenges, okay, when you try to start these new hobbies?
I'm never cooking before, so maybe uh something fet fetish. What? Gimana cara
Hmm?
masakannya nggak enak tuh gimana?
Gimana, bro?
Kalau misal bikin masakan nggak enak tuh biasanya gimana berarti, bro?
Okay. Creating
Something bad,
unappetizing dish.
unappetizing. Creating an
Unappetizing.
unappetizing.
Nah,
Hey. Yes, maybe
tidak menggugah selera.
or maybe something dangerous.
Okay, but if you would like to start this new hobby of cooking, what is the first cuisine or the first food that you would like to make or to cook?
I think I gonna try Korean recipe.
Korean recipe? Okay, that's great. Such as what, by the way? Seperti apa nih?
Apa sih itu yang kimchi? Kimchi.
Kimchi. Okay. Kimchi. Okay. Be careful because kimchi it's a bit spicy. Kayaknya agak pedes deh. Nah.
I like spicy.
Okay, that's Indonesian's favorite as well for a spicy thing. And it's a bit sour, I suppose, because it's fermented for several days. Jadi agak asam karena difermentasi beberapa hari.
Udah kan? Katanya itu jadi kayak asam gitu. Penasaran.
Nah, and a bit sour. Okay. Sour itu asam. Okay. Salty asin. Bitter pahit. Sweet manis. Nah, seperti itu teman.
Pahit gimana, bro? Bitter.
Bitter.
Bitter. Oh, bitter. Yes. Oke.
Jadi sweet, manis, bitter. Ini pahit, teman-teman. Sour, asam. Oke. Apalagi spicy.
Salty.
Itu dia, salty. Spicy pedas, salty.
Sweetie.
Ini asin.
Kalau hambar apa?
Hambar, bland.
Bitter.
Plain. Oh.
Bland. Oke. Atau plain juga bisa. Oke.
Oh,
Sweet.
Sweet manis.
yes, terlalu manis.
Oke, hambar. Blend berbeda dengan mencampur ya, blend ya. Blend yang di sini ini hambar artinya. Oke. Nah, ada juga satu ini mungkin dari Jepang ya. Umami.
Oh iya.
Umami flavor. Ini artinya gurih, teman-teman. Nah, it has a bit umami flavor on it. Okay. Ada sedikit rasa gurih di dalamnya. Nah, oke. Sweet, manis, bitter, pahit, sour, asam, spicy, pedas, salty, asin, umami flavor gurih, bland or plain itu artinya hambar. Nah, oke. Mungkin sampai situ dulu, Bro Ido. Saya akan lanjutkan ke partisipan lain. Nah, by the way, teman-teman, kalau nanti semisal nggak sampai semuanya yang praktis berapa, mohon maaf karena waktunya memang terbatas. Nah, kita coba dari yang angkat tangan dulu. Oke. Nah, kita move on ke Sis Ida nih. Halo Sis Ida.
Halo Kak, good evening.
Halo, good evening. How are you today?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine too. Thank you for asking, by the way. I would like to ask the same question, by the way, Sis Ida. What is your
Hmm.
favorite things to or your hobbies?
I will to around Indonesia.
Gimana?
I will to around Indonesia.
Sure. To Indonesia.
Yeah.
Okay. I like to travel. Nah,
Yeah, travel.
saya suka bepergian. I like to travel around Indonesia. Nah,
I like to travel around Indonesia.
okay. Okay. Around Indonesia. Atau bisa juga I'm fond of traveling. Nah, kita coba pisahkan di sini. Especially, okay, around Indonesia.
I like to travel around.
Okay, I'm fond of traveling, especially khususnya around Indonesia seperti itu. Nah, by the way, it's very interesting. Um, what what city have you ever visited around Indonesia? By the way, this Ida. Kira-kira kota mana aja nih yang pernah dikunjungi di Indonesia?
Malang, Malang City,
Okay.
Bali,
Okay.
Banyuwangi. Sudah.
Okay. Why do you love traveling around Indonesia, by the way, Sisida?
I want to work to cruise ship.
To?
I will to work cruise ship.
Pricey?
Cruise ship or cruise line.
Okay. Nah, kira-kira nih, apart from traveling, selain traveling, if you have a chance to try a new hobby, what kind of new hobby will you pick? Kira-kira hobi baru apa yang Sisida ingin pilih?
Menjahit. Apa menjahit?
Bisa sewing. Okay.
Sewing.
Menjahit. Sewing. Okay. Sewing itu menjahit. Okay. Nah, why do you want to do it?
Bikin apa ya? Bikin model sendiri tau gak?
Oke. Membikin model sendiri?
Ya.
Design.
Designing. Bikin
Design
model.
myself. Designing from my design. Make my design.
Oke. Jadi sewing.
Make your own design.
Oke, ini artinya menjahit. Oke. Nah, kalau Sis Ida mau bilang saya ingin bisa, oke, I want to be able to make or design,
On design.
make or design or create, okay, my own dress. Nah, pakaianku sendiri.
Untuk artinya able itu apa?
Oke. Able, dapat. I want to be
Bisa.
able. Okay. Sorry. I want to be
Able.
able. Saya ingin dapat.
Termasuk kata hubung juga bukan?
Gimana?
My own.
Termasuk kata hubung?
Bukan. Able, ini bisa artinya. Oke. Nah, I want to be able. Okay.
able to make
Bisa
my
menggunakan able atau capable.
Be able.
Ah,
capable.
oke. Nah, jadi be able and capable of itu artinya bisa atau dapat. Seperti itu sih sudah. Nah, seperti itu. Kira-kira nih, what will be the challenges when you start saving? Kira-kira tantangan apa nih yang Sis Ida akan dapati ketika memulai hobi baru? Di pikiran Sis Ida. Apa ya tantangannya ketika baru pertama kali menjahit? Kalau menurut Sis Ida?
Looking for the search model.
Looking for the source model. Okay. The challenge will be looking for the source model. Ini dia. Tantangannya yaitu dalam mencari sumber model, sumber acuan ya, seperti itu.
Iya.
Okay. Nah, by the way, mungkin sampai di situ dulu, Sis Ida. Thank you for practicing tonight.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nah, kita lanjut lagi nih ke Bro Didi. Halo, Bro Didi.
Hello.
Halo, how are you today, Bro
Hello.
Didi?
Pretty good. Thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. Thank you for asking. Terima kasih sudah bertanya. Nah, I want to know what is your hobby, Bro Didi?
My hobby is to playing sport, any kind of sport.
Any kind of sport? Wow, that's interesting. What is your most favorite?
The most favorite is playing like badminton, tennis, and so on.
Oh, that's interesting. You also playing tennis and also badminton. Okay. Where do you usually play these sports?
Once again, please.
Where do you usually play these sports?
I get used to because the reason why I say play badminton because I am coaching.
Okay, coaching. Nah, kira-kira di mana nih Bro Didi sering main permainan ini, entah itu tenis atau badminton?
Outside. I mean, yeah. In badminton hall or outdoor sports center.
Okay. Is it close to your house? Apakah dekat dengan rumah?
Yeah, it's near by walk around 5 minutes.
Okay. It's around 5 minutes by foot. Nah, dengan jalan kaki by foot. If you have a chance to try a new hobbies, by the way, Bro Didi, what will be your choice for a new hobby? And why do you want to try it?
If I have chance to do the new hobby, like I want to do like fishing.
Fishing? Okay.
Yeah.
That's interesting. That makes me wonder, why do you want to try fishing?
Yeah, the reason if I go to fishing to get inspiration, and then to make sometime to make how to call, to be more patient.
Okay.
And
to be more patient. Nah.
Yeah.
Where do you want to go for fishing, by the way? Kira-kira Bro Didi pengen mancing di mana nih?
Maybe in river.
River?
Yeah.
Nah, which river to be specific? Do you have any specific
Yeah.
river that you like to visit?
If the place is around Europe, I would like to try.
Ah, so fishing in Europe.
Yeah.
Okay, that's very interesting. Fishing in Europe. I hope you can catch some trouts or salmon in Europe.
Yeah, thanks.
Saya berharap Bro Didi bisa menangkap beberapa salmon atau mungkin ikan trout di Eropa.
Yeah.
Because that's a very popular fish in Europe.
Yes.
And I would like to talk about the challenges, by the way, Bro Didi. What will you think will be the challenges when you start this new hobbies, by the way?
The challenges, maybe I need some target, to get a big fish like salmon or like some kind of that.
Okay. Okay. Talking about fishing, it's very interesting, not only about the place, but also about our target fish. Okay. Apart from salmon, what is the favorite fish that you would like to catch in fishing? Kira-kira ikan apa nih yang Bro Didi pengen tangkap selain salmon? Target utamanya. Adakah ikan lainnya jadi target Bro Didi?
Yeah, I would like
I am sorry, Bro Akmal. The signal here not good.
Okay. Nah, silakan.
Halo.
Halo.
Ya.
Oke. Nah, mungkin sampai situ dulu, Bro Didi. Kita akan
sorry,
lanjutkan.
the signal is not good for me.
Okay. Now, by the way, thank you for practicing today.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Bro Didi. Oke, kita move on lagi ke
Welcome.
Tania mungkin. Halo, Sis Tania.
Hello,
Halo, how are you today, Sis Tania?
I'm fine. Hello, can you hear
Hello.
me?
Yes, I can hear you now. By the way, I would like to ask, what is your hobbies right now, Sis Tania?
When I was child, I had a hobby of drawing, but now I don't really like it. And then I wanted to try a new hobby, which is maybe sport or learn English deeper.
Okay.
But one I wanna choose first. I wanna choose sport is the first my new hobby because I want to get an ideal body, so I want to choose gym. You know gym, yeah.
Exercising in gym.
Yeah, but maybe biggest challenges for me, I think I just need to be consistent first, so I can realize my dream to get an ideal body.
Okay, that's very great, Sis Tania.
Thank you.
How often do you go to the gym?
I don't know. Maybe gym, yeah.
How often? Seberapa sering?
I don't know, but but gym just my future hobbies, so I cannot realize now.
Okay.
It's my the next hobby. I think I want to choose gym for the next hobbies.
Okay. Do you have any target?
Sorry?
Do you have any target if you would like to try these new hobbies or going to the gym? Okay.
Maybe.
Do you have any?
Yeah, I have a target to I don't know. I think the target is next month, maybe.
Okay, next month. I mean, target on how many times will you go to the gym
Oh,
in
okay,
a
okay,
week
sorry,
or
sorry.
in a month?
How much? Okay, how much I get to the gym?
Okay.
Maybe
How
in
often? Sorry, how often? Seberapa
how
sering?
often? Yeah, maybe I think I can go to gym three on 1 week,
Oke.
3 days
Nah,
or 3 times. Yeah,
nah. Oke. Itu dia, by the way, Sis Tania.
yeah.
Kalau teman-teman, sekali lagi, kalau mau bilang sekali, oke, dalam seminggu, once in a week. Sekali dalam seminggu. Oke. Kalau Sis Tania 3 times in a week. 3 kali seminggu. Nah, okay. I think 3 times in a week is an ideal start, okay, for us to exercise in gym because we need to train our muscle at first, by the way. Okay. And what do you think will be your challenges, Istania, when you start exercising at gym?
Sorry, can you speak again? I cannot really want to hear your voice well.
Okay. So, what do you think will be your challenges when you would like to start
Yeah.
going exercising to the gym?
Okay. I already said I think the big challenges for me is to be consistent first. Yeah, because when I got my dream, so when I realize my dream, I have to be consistent to go to the gym. Yeah.
Okay. And do you think you can be consistent? Are you sure that you could be?
I don't really sure about that. Because
Why?
because it's just my future dreams. Yeah. So I cannot realize my dream now. So I think I can dream first. Membayangkan sama kali, hanya membayangkan saja. Maybe
Okay.
ya itu baru keinginan.
Nah, okay, that's okay. That's okay. That's a future hobbies, dream hobbies. Even though
Yeah.
it's a bit difficult because it requires some commitments, or perhaps I would like to say a tons of commitments.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, by the way, Sister
Yeah,
Nia.
thank you.
We will move on to Sis Risma. Hello, Sis Risma.
Hello, Brockmel.
Hello. How are you, Sis Risma?
I'm fine. I'm good. How do you do?
I'm fine, thank you. It's fantastic day, okay, because I can meet with all wonderful people like you all today in the class. By the way, I would like to ask perhaps the same question like others, Sister Risma. What is your current hobbies?
I found camping, watching movie, and traveling with my daughter.
Okay, so camping, watching movies, and also traveling with your daughter.
Yes.
From those 3 hobbies, which one do you like it most? Which one do you love it most?
Camping. More like.
Okay,
camping,
going.
yes.
Okay, going for camping.
Yes, going for
Which location or which place is your favorite for a camping?
My favorite camping with my family. My family is Cibodas, but now it's closed, so it's really bad news.
Yes. Why is it closed, by the way? Do you know some news about it? Why is it closed?
Because I get some people there say they get the money from others, the people there, but
Okay.
the kalau pegawai apa ya, maksudnya
Officer.
pengelola officer in that place is not give the money for the yang pemilik tanah.
Okay. The management. Kalau
The
itu,
management,
pengurusnya
yes,
itu management. Okay.
the management, yes.
Okay.
So
So-
it's make the management make the close the place.
Okay. Jadi management itu orang yang mengelola, owner itu pemiliknya. So the management, okay, didn't give the money to the owner. Nah, itu dia. Okay. So the management didn't give the money to the owner. Okay, so that become a conflict. So that's so that place was closed. Sehingga tempatnya ditutup. Nah, okay. Okay, that's very interesting. Going for camping. Apart from those hobbies, watching movies, going for campings, and traveling with your daughter, Sis Risma, do you have any other future dreams that you would like to try? You never try it, but you want to try it.
Yes, I want to try climb up the mountain.
Wow.
With my daughter too, because my husband is already access to climb the mountain, and I never do before.
Okay.
So I hope when my daughter is more older, she can join with me and my husband.
Climbing a mountain. So you like outdoor activities, right?
Yes, I really like, yes.
Why do you want to try climbing in the mountains?
When I was young, I never get a chance because my parents never give me a chance, and because they are really scared when I'm going to climb with my friends, so I never get climb up the mountain.
Okay. Yes. I do understand that because some parents can be quite protective to their children.
Yes.
Quite protective to their children. So now when you are grown up, when you have your own family, you want to do anything that you would like to do that you have never experienced in your childhood.
Yes. And my husband give me a change if when I ready.
Okay, does he support it for your plans to go for climbing in the mountains?
Pardon?
Okay. Does your husband support for your plan?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now then, I would like to ask, which mountain would you like to climb?
I'm maybe a little, mungkin yang gunung yang masih itu Prau Mountain. Apa ya? Yang gunungnya.
Okay, smaller mountain. You would like to try this mountain first?
Yes, small mountain, yes.
Okay, that's a very interesting. Mount Prau?
Yes, Mount Prau.
Okay, that's a very interesting destination for Indonesians as well because it has a beautiful scenery, pemandangan yang indah, beautiful landscape as well. Okay, and I think if you would like to try for that new hobbies, you will be impressed with your decision. Okay, it's very interesting, but I would like to know more about. Do you realize what will be the challenges when you start these new hobbies for hiking or climbing a mountain, perhaps?
I think this my stamina because I'm not young anymore. So I'm not really before when I'm young I am a dancer.
Okay.
I'm a choreographer, but and I have a good stamina. So
Okay.
I want to go to mountain, but my parents not give me a chance. But now when I get the chance, I'm not young anymore. So I feel like I feel like not really sure, but I want give my daughter chance because she wanted to join going
Okay.
to climb to the mountain. So
Okay, that's very interesting. Yes, sometimes it can be very paradoxical if we would like to do that. If we were young, we do not have a permission from our parents. Okay, but now when we get everything we need and everything we want, our energy no longer there. We are too old for doing the activities. But I do hope that you can fulfill your dreams to go for hikings.
I hope so. Thank you.
Okay. By the way, that was fun. By the way, Sis Risma, thank you for the practice.
Thank you too, Bro Akmal.
Thank you, Sis Risma. Kita move on ke Bro Rian deh. Nah, halo Bro Rian.
Hello,
Hello. How are you today, Bro Rian?
I'm great.
Okay.
Thank you.
I would like to ask the same question again and again, perhaps. By the way, Bro Rian, what is
Okay.
your favorite hobby at this moment?
At this moment,
Or currently then?
I'm keen on reading books, watching movies, and doing some exercise.
Okay. Reading books, watching movies, and doing some exercise. I would like
Yeah.
to know more about reading a book. What kind of book would you like to read?
The old one is from Shakespeare, William,
Text. Okay.
but I borrowed it from my friend, so I
Okay.
haven't done reading, so I give the book. Oh, I mean, I borrowed it from my
Okay.
friend.
Mhm.
I read some, and I kind of don't like poem, you know. I'm not a
Okay.
poetry, and now I just learn.
What makes you interested with that book?
Now I just want to practice my English, so I borrow some book. I borrow some English book from a friend, but now
Okay.
I read some from books that I bought from TikTok.
Okay. And what is it?
It's just English grammar. 13
Oh, English grammar.
30 days to good in English from zero.
Okay. Have you
Those kind
finished?
of book.
Have you finished it?
No, I haven't.
Okay. Do you find it difficult to learn English?
In the grammar, you know, it's kind of hard, but you know, I'll fight for it.
Okay. So in the grammar, you find it difficult to learn English.
Yeah,
Okay.
kind of.
Which
I'm
grammar?
struggling with.
Which chances which chances that confuse you at most?
Like I need to know what the time to put the past in my sentence, you know.
Okay. Okay.
It's kind of
Okay.
confusing.
Now, I will give you some advice about that, Bro Rian. Okay. So, past tense is used when the action has been finished, has been done, and has no relation with the present. For instance, entah itu terjadi 1 menit yang lalu atau 2 menit yang lalu, kita menggunakan past. Okay.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
Even if it's just a minute ago, right?
Even it's just a minute ago. Let's say I'm writing a letter. Okay. Now, I'm writing a letter. Okay. But if I put the pen down, okay, I wrote the letter.
Oh,
Okay. Bisa
okay.
juga menggunakan I've just written a letter. Saya baru
I
saja
just
menulis.
wrote, pardon?
I've just written a letter.
Oh, right.
Saya baru saja menulis sebuah surat. Nah, jadi kalau peristiwanya seperti itu, bro bisa menggunakan past, bro bisa menggunakan present perfect. Nah, dua-duanya bisa dipilih. Okay. I wrote that letter. Saya menulis surat. Okay. Who wrote the letter? I wrote the letter. Okay. Tapi kalau sedang menulis, what are you doing? I'm writing a letter.
I'm writing a letter.
Okay. Kemudian untuk continuous digunakan untuk progress, entah itu panjang ataupun pendek. Okay. What are you doing right now? Okay. Atau what do you do? I'm a student. Okay. I'm studying physics at University A. Saya mempelajari fisika. Saya sedang mempelajari fisika di University A. Itu untuk continuous. Okay. Nah, kalau untuk past ya seperti itu petunjuknya. Jadi nggak melulu tentang yesterday atau 5 days ago.
Continuous means something that still happen right now and I'm still doing it or something kind of like that.
It's about process.
And the process still going on, right?
Yes, if you're talking about present continuous. If you are
Present
talking about
continuous.
past continuous, it means the process in the past or activities in the past.
And how can I know I should use the verb ing or what? Like,
okay. So, if you would like to tell about the chronological order of some action, you can use continuous. But you would like to create a statement, okay, statement in the past, okay, you can use a simple one. Okay.
Okay, right.
I was just finishing my letter. I was just finishing my letter. Okay.
So it's not I just finished my letter.
Okay. Itu berarti statement.
Oh, it's a statement.
Okay. So I finished it. Okay. I finished it yesterday. I have just finished it a couple of minutes ago.
It's a statement, but if it's action, then I finishing my letter.
Okay.
Yesterday.
I was just finishing my letter.
Just finishing it.
Okay. I was finishing my letter. Okay. Saya tadi sudah sedang. Mungkin agak bingung ya kalau kita dalam bahasa Indonesia. Seperti itu.
Oh, I want to ask something. I just finished. Itu use ed or not? Just finish.
Ed.
Just finish.
Have finished. Ed.
I finished.
Have finished.
It's for statement, right?
Yes, the statement. Artinya sudah. Nah, seperti itu. Mungkin di situ untuk pembedanya. Salah satu tips. Nah, lainnya tergantung teman-teman. Kalau tergantung situasinya dan tergantung kata-kata yang Bro Rian mau sampaikan sebenarnya. Oke. Mungkin sampai situ dulu, Bro Rian. Mohon maaf saya tidak bisa menanyakan tentang detail ini, tapi saya menjelaskan mengenai your confusion about some bit of confusion about using the past sentence and the present sentence. Okay. Nah, kadang juga suatu tips juga, kadang will atau future sentence itu bisa digunakan untuk menunjukkan suatu rencana. Oke. Yang
What would happen, right?
what would happen, of course, and yeah, what would happen, what will happen.
What will-
Oke. Nah, mungkin sampai situ dulu teman-teman. Adakah yang ingin ditanyakan sebelumnya, sebelum kita mengakhiri kelasnya? Dan I do apologize everyone because it's a very big class. I cannot really to practice to all of you one by one. Yes. So perhaps in the Friday we will have a breakout rooms. In the Friday we will have a breakout rooms, so everyone can practice their English. Okay? We will divide it into several groups. Each groups perhaps might consist of 5 to 10 people. Nanti mungkin kita akan bagi ke beberapa grup ya. Nanti satu grupnya bisa 5 sampai 10 orang, tergantung nanti kita lihat di hari Jumatnya seberapa banyak membernya yang hadir. Di situ nanti kita akan lebih banyak praktis. Oke. Sekali lagi bagi teman-teman, karena ini merupakan kelas speaking partner, saya mengencourage teman-teman untuk latihan praktis. Jangan malu-malu. Dan saya menunjuk teman-teman yang praktis dari yang pertama Raisen. Jadi nanti kalau memang waktunya praktis, silakan segera Raisen. Seperti itu. Untuk hari sampai hari Kamis ke depan. Seperti itu. Oke. Jika belum ada yang ditanyakan teman-teman, mungkin sekian dulu yang bisa saya sampaikan. Oke.
Bro Akmal,
Ya,
ada sedikit yang mau saya tanyakan. Ini
ya boleh.
jamnya selama 1 bulan, setiap hari atau setiap hari apa?
Gimana?
Ini jam mulai setiap hari selama 1 bulan, mulai dari jam 9 atau setiap hari apa? Ini agak kurang memperhatikan saya dari kemarin masalahnya.
Setiap hari Senin sampai Jumat, oke, jam 9 sampai jam 10 selama 1 bulan.
Oh, berarti Sabtu Minggunya yang off ya?
Bukan. Jadi selama 1 minggu kita belum menggunakan breakout room. Baru nanti setelah 4 hari ya, nggak sampai seminggu, kita baru menggunakan breakout room di hari kelima. Di breakout room nanti kita akan bagi ke beberapa kelas kecil. Oke, di situ teman-teman bisa praktis untuk conversation and dialogue. Nah, di situ teman-teman punya waktu yang lebih luas. Nah, kalau di satu ruangan besar ini kan mungkin waktunya terbatas. Oke.
Ya, oke.
Nah, mungkin sampai di situ dulu teman-teman. Oh ya, saya lupa memberikan info teman-teman. Jadi di speaking partner kita juga punya jargon nih. Oke. Jadi kalau saya atau Bro Akmal bilang speaking partner, teman-teman nanti bisa menjawab dengan we are the best partners. Seperti itu teman-teman. Oke.
We
Itu
are
jargon
the
yang
best partner.
Nah, we are the best partner. Biar makin semangat teman-teman. Oke. Nah, karena kebetulan kita mau menutup kelasnya teman-teman, kita akan yel-yel atau jargon dulu. Oke. Kita coba dulu. So, everyone, speaking partner.
We are the best
partner. Oke.
partner.
Nah, seperti itu teman-teman. Oke. Nah, sekarang kita coba officially close this class. So, sekali lagi,
Thank you,
everyone.
Bro Akmal.
Speaking partner.
We are the best partner.
We are the best partner. Okay, everyone. See you again tomorrow, everyone. Have a great day.
Thank you so much, Bro Akmal. Thank
Bye,
you very much.
bye.
Thank you, bro. Bye bye. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.